All right, so today it's a 2016 Landoll 930. This trailer's a C model, Southern trailer. So we like to show underneath the front deck just so you can see that there's very little rust. You got driver's side controls only on Landoll. That's not as common to find them on the passenger side as well. It does have air weight scales, or right way, that actually appear to be working. I'm not a big fan of the scales just because it's one more thing to break. The trailer is on low pro 17.5s with aluminum polished wheels on the outside and maybe aluminum wheels on the inside. It does have a 15-foot tail, which is good for load angle. It just helps get just a little bit easier on the equipment that you're putting up there, especially if you've got stuff with either long wheelbases or low ground clearance. We're on the passenger side now. It has flip out lights, which I'm definitely not a fan of, just because they break all the time and they're a pain and gives DOT one more reason to pull you over. It has an air lift ramp that lifts up so that you can load the neck, and drop down landing gear, which are kind of more common on Landolls than most other trailers, but simple is, I think, a win. Give us a call if we can help. 713-675-5922. AA Diesel Truck and Equipment Inc. Look forward to hearing from you.